Next is very much important, which is called as validation and substitution. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I have one validation and substitution. Few examples which is already created, and few example which we are going to create right now. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so will what
Very
we can
nice.
do? So we quickly discuss about the validation first. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
what is the meaning of validation? I hope
To basically validate a value.
right to
So
base um, from
yeah.
FI perspective, you already know about it, right? OB08 validations. So with reference to this GL, there has to be few validations. Okay, so for
Yes.
this series of GL, only actual cost or um, actually I unable to remember um, those validations from FI perspectives, but I can show you from PS perspective. So okay, so I've already created few validations. So we'll just quickly discuss the validation which is already there in the system. So actually, this validation is having um, this particular validation I can define in steps. So whenever I assign this
Uh-huh.
validation in
Mm.
project profile level, so
Okay.
firstly it will perform step one, then it will perform step two. So
Okay.
it will work in step wise.
Fine.
So in step one, what it is checking, so that we will discuss.
If project
So
profile is 1000,
correct.
it says account assignment should be K. What is
No, no,
PPEPS
no,
PID?
no, no. It is saying that project ID, project first character, it should start with K.
Very
So
nice. Okay.
so for 1000, if I assign this validation at profile level, okay, so I'll show you. OPS, I'll open OPSA, and for 1000 project profile, okay, so if I assign this validation Z001, Z001, which is already there, so
Then it should
then it
start
should,
with a K.
yeah, project structure should start with K. So I don't
Yes.
know why it is not giving error. It should give error. Okay, yeah. So project POS ID 121 is nothing but it is checking first character of the project. It should start with K. Okay. So we'll check create
Okay,
new
let's
project
create a project.
with reference to
One
1000.
1000.
Yeah. B hyphen one. Okay. So I'll create with reference to B character. Okay.
Let's see. Oh no, no, you got it. Okay, there you go.
Okay. Um, level one WBS element test.
You just save it, you don't have to. Okay.
Okay. So when I save it, it should give error. Okay. So validation
Yeah,
and
you should
substitution will work.
when you save it.
Yeah.
This should be interesting. Let's see.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah. So actually, I don't have authorization to edit to go to AC91. So that's why I'm assigning one custom message error while writing object. So message should be like this. For elevator project profile, project should start with K. Okay.
So that message is entered where?
The message you can set at AC91 message, custom messages.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah. So
Mess.
so it will check with so what we can do will can we create for our project profile only with reference to a project character for 1005 project profile you will be allowed. Okay,
I got you.
so we'll quickly create one new validation with reference to our project profile.
All right. Okay.
Okay, so let me create new validation Z002, Z00002.
New validation for profile 1005.
1005, correct? Okay, so in that I'm going to define first step as a step 1, validation for project ID. Okay.
Uh-huh. New step.
Okay, so this is new step. So first step is prerequisite. So what is prerequisite to
If
define this step? So it should be project profile, right? I'm going to refer
project
project definition.
definition
Okay.
equal project
Okay. So
profile.
it should be profile. PROFL, PROJ, PROFL, P. So it is the PROFL. Okay. So whenever I select PROFL, project profile.
That's what that says plan profile.
Oh, sorry. No, delete PROFL plan.
PRCTR.
No. This is one.
PR, yeah, that's
PRO,
the one. Okay.
PROFL
Equal to
is equal to constant. So
within.
when I select constant, I'll get drop
Oh,
down
I see.
values as
Very
project
nice.
profile. So I'm going to select 1005.
1005. Okay.
Okay. So since
Fine.
my rule is correct, okay, so this prerequisite is correct. So I'm getting status as a green, correct and
That
complete.
says green.
Hmm.
Okay.
So when
Okay.
you have some issues, okay, so then you will get when your
Right.
rule is incorrect, in that case you will get red and yellow.
Hello. Okay.
Okay, so just proceed to next step. What check we are going to?
Project definition.
Project POS ID, right?
Mm.
Okay, sorry.
PPIID is something, right?
Yeah, POS ID.
PSPID.
PSP ID, no?
I think it down.
Yeah, this one.
There you go.
PSP ID.
Mm-hmm.
Just forgot.
Oh, this is going to be tricky. Should be equal to or should it should say start with
Component,
A, right?
field component 1 to 1. Okay,
Ah,
correct now.
ah,
And then each is equal to K. Okay,
constant.
constant A. Sorry, with reference to A only. We will allow. So project
Okay.
definition 1 to 1 character A. Okay, so with reference to only one character, I'm going to this
Yes.
1005 profile will be allowed. And message, I'll select. Okay, so if I try to create message, so it will give me error message because I am not authorized.
Oh, you have to use the existing error message.
Okay, so okay,
You can't use the message from here.
yeah, I can use the message from here. You're not authorized to make changes. Okay, so that's why. So 006. So when I select
You can't
this,
change anything.
yeah, I cannot create.
Oh,
So that's
correct.
why. And
All
this
right.
is the
That's
message
fine.
type.
Okay.
E is stands for error, warning, information, or cancel. Okay, so
Yes.
I'm selecting E because it's critical one. So when I save it, above code is getting generated. And one more thing, I'll have to assign this Z002 validation at project level. Okay, project profile level. Sorry, this is 1005 profile. Okay, now validation is saved. So I'll quickly select validation for project definition. Okay, so Z002 validation for
Yes.
1005.
Yes.
When
That
I
is correct.
save it, okay. So now, as per our validation, what is our desired result. With reference to this profile, only project can be created with A only. So for
What is
now,
transaction? Oh, that is okay. You created in configuration. Okay.
yeah, yeah. So
Let's see
new
what happens.
project. Okay, I don't want to
Mm-hmm.
save it. Okay, so
Yeah.
I'll try to create with reference to C. Okay,
Okay.
apart from A character I want to use, right? And profile should be 100.
1005.
Okay, so test project A.
Just save this. You should give an error.
Yeah, for time being, I'll just select create only one level 1 WBS element. Okay,
Hmm.
when I save it, it should give me error message.
Yes, that's correct.
So that this is the connection we can apply in between coding mask and profile.
Very
So
nice.
so for turnkey project should start with T for turnkey project profile. Got it?
I got you.
So for WBS element as well, we can define validations in the same way. Okay.
Yes.
Actually, we'll discuss one more validation, which is already available. So for this validation is for uh, profit center.
Plant. No, it's
Mm,
plant is equal to 1300, plant equal to 1400, profile equal to 1000.
correct.
Profit center should be less than 5000, it says.
Okay. So if for 1000 project, okay. So for the
Mm-hmm.
1000 project, if plant is 1300 or 1400, the profit center
Or
value
1400.
should 1300 or. Okay. So I put or,
Yeah.
either
It should
it
be
will be
either this or that.
either or. Huh. And project profile must be this one 1000.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. So either 1300 or 1400. So this is prerequisite. In check what we are using, profit center, it should be below 5000. If
That's
you,
not a good validation anyway.
why?
You cannot have a profit center less than or equal to 5000. Basically, that's a huge range you are looking at.
Actually, for this system, they have defined validations of 4 characters only. Okay.
I
So
understand, but you are looking from 1000 to 4999.
no. These are the plant, right? 1000
Yeah.
0000 from 000 to 5000. This is the range. Okay, of profit center I'm giving. So if I
Yes.
assign validation profit center more than 50001 50050, so then it should give me error message.
I agree,
Yeah,
but in real sense, you cannot have that many profit center assigned to a plant. And
yeah, right. And then just for practice purpose, test purpose, I created this one.
okay,
So
fine, fine. This
can we
that's good.
can we quickly discuss? Can you quickly see this validation how it's work?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me check the
We need to make sure the profile has been assigned to that
one
validation.
thousand. Yeah. Profile is already there. Okay, so I'll show you that profile. So for 1000 project, na.
Hmm.
Okay, so for 1000 project, sorry,
It's not there.
1000. Yeah, so this 1000, na. So Z001 is the validation. Okay,
Okay, that's a step two. What is step one in that validation?
step one is related to K, with reference to
Okay, okay, that's
K
easy.
only. Yeah. So
So it says
we'll try with reference to uh, so
5000
for
profit center.
profit center. We'll test for this. Okay. So
Okay.
let me check projects created with for 1000, right?
Hmm.
PROJ.
Is that the vegetable vendor shouting at the back?
Uh, what?
I hear a woman screaming. Is that a vegetable vendor?
I'm not getting this.
No, I heard like the street vegetable vendors.
Oh, no. Actually, there
Sabji,
is a cat.
sabji. Those who bring sabji, they keep shouting on the road.
No. There is a cat. You heard voice of cat.
Cat.
Yeah.
You sure? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So with reference to 1000, I'm searching projects in PROJ table. Okay. So
Okay.
I don't remember the project created with reference to 1000. So that's why. So these many project got created. So we'll use K001. Okay.
Okay, we can use one of them, existing one. Okay.
Yeah. So at project definition level, let's say if I select profit center.
Yeah, you can change the profit center here itself.
Yeah. At project definition level itself.
Hmm.
Sorry, it is getting time load. Whole project. By mistakenly, I click expand all options. So that's why it will expand all structure. Okay. So at
Oh
project
my.
definition level, I'll
Change it to, oh, you should have a valid profit center.
yeah. So um, with reference to profit center, no? So sorry, 5 star, no?
Yeah.
No.
Nothing.
We have only 80 profit center.
So when you say greater than 5,000, if a profit center is alphanumeric, starting with A, B, C, then what happens?
For alphanumeric as well,
Validation.
we can put the validations or
But
okay.
no, here, if you change the profit center T-2003 now, will
Okay.
that validation work?
Let me check because yeah.
Oh, it does.
Because below 5000 is nothing but what they are expecting, only numeric should be allowed. So
Yeah, I
it
got
should
it.
be 0001 to
To
4999.
5,000.
Correct. So that is the thing. Okay. So now we will discuss about validation for WBS element. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll just try to create new validation.
Mm-hmm.
Z00 Z PS 001. ठीक है.
Uh-huh.
100 sorry 1005.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so at WBS level, we can write validation in such a way that let's say if client want your levels of the WBS element should be restricted. So
Mm.
your project do not have more than 4 levels of WBS elements. Okay, so you can write validation accordingly. Hmm? So
I got it.
okay, so we'll discuss that validation. Okay, so we'll write validation. So we'll create first step
But this
validation.
WBS validation is valid for all levels, right?
Um, right now we haven't set any validation for levels to restrict
Okay,
levels.
let's see. Okay, let's
So
see.
for now, we are going to write validation for only it should have only level up to level 4. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so validation for level of WBS. Okay, so what will be the prerequisite? It should be profile.
Hmm.
Correct. So
Yeah, it should be the
PRO,
project profile.
yeah, PROFL Okay, so this is project profile. It should be 1000
Equal to
and
1005.
1005.
Okay.
Okay, next check. So what check we are applying?
Work
Um,
breakdown structure.
yeah, it should be no, we have to select PRPS. Okay,
PRPS, yes.
okay, PRPS. Under PRPS, we have to check Control F level. Okay, so when I select level, so I'll get
Mm-hmm.
field for level
Mm-hmm.
SCUFE. So level, it should be less than equal to 4. Correct, na? So this is the less than, right? So when I
Mm-hmm.
click on less than, it should be constant value
4.
4. Okay. So when I select this rule, automatically green. Okay. So what does it mean? My rule is correct. And in message, I'm going to select message as a 006, which is one random message. Okay. So I'll save it, and I'll have to assign this validation at WBS level. Okay. So 1005 profile slash NOPSA 1005,
Okay.
and this profile I'm going to assign at validation for WBS element. So this is validation for
Okay.
WBS element with
Okay.
001.
Fine.
Okay, so I'll save it.
Mm-hmm.
Now we'll try to create new project with reference to 1005 WBS. Sorry, create new project.
Mm-hmm.
No, A, Control F. So 1005 project
Mm-hmm.
A. Okay. So from WBS overview screen, what we can do, we'll create WBS elements. So this is level 1. This is level 2. Okay. Dot
See
zero
if they
one.
should give an error message.
Yeah. No, no, no. So since up to now I have created only level 1 and level 2. Okay.
Yeah. You should
So,
give a message now.
no, no, no. I'll not get any message now. Why?
Yeah,
Because
because you said level should be less than 4.
less than 4, but at present I have only level 2, na? Level 1 and level
Yeah,
2.
it's still less than 4.
No, no, no. No, no, no. This is number, right? A004 is the project number.
Yeah, but
Okay.
in the validation, in the WBS validation, you said if the level is less than 4, give the message.
Okay. But I I'll explain you. Okay. So what these are the levels, right? So whenever I click,
Yes.
okay. So let's say this is civil. Okay.
Okay.
Under civil, I have few work. So civil excavation. This is one head. Under civil again, I have plinth
Okay.
well construction. Okay. Again under civil, I have brickwork or
Mm-hmm.
RCC work.
Okay.
Okay. So so at WBS overview screen. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
this is my level 1 WBS element. Okay.
Yes.
So these are
Correct.
the level 2, and all excavation, plinth, and RCC, these are called as level 3 WBS elements.
That is correct.
Correct. So when I click on hierarchy, so I'll get a hierarchy of WBS elements,
Yes.
which indicates that you have at present up to level 3 structure. So when
Yes.
I under excavation, let's say under excavation, I have some work which is marking of ground. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Again, under excavation, what work I have to do? Um, JCB work or subcontracting work.
It automatically puts the number, next number.
Yeah, next number it will put. and these are the two heads. Okay, so till now I have up to level 4 WBS element. Okay,
Yes.
so if I divide again with reference to 4, okay, okay, so let me save this. We'll check whether it will stop me or not. It will not.
12.
Mhm, mhm. Why it is? It should be below level 3, up to level 3, right? Why? It should be less than 4, na? So that's why it should consider 4.
No, it won't consider 4. Less than equal to 4 will consider 4.
Yeah, right. Right. So so I'll have to make a change of level, then and then it will allow me to 4. Yeah, you're right.
Yes.
It should be less than or equal to 4, then and then it will consider 4.
Yes.
Correct. So let me change hierarchy of this WBS element.
Okay.
It is too slow.
Well, it's a sandbox. So
Yeah. Oh, okay. Hierarchy level up. So when I right click on this WBS element, I'll get option
mhm.
hierarchy. I can change the hierarchy. So if I want to level down, then I can click this. If I want to level up, so this will be considered as a level 3 WBS element. Means from level 4, it will be level 3 now. Level 4 to level 3.
Two,
It got shifted.
level 3.
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay. Hierarchy level up. So at present case, we have only level 3 WBS elements, okay, in my project.
Yes.
I'll also show you by hierarchy.
Hmm.
So I have level 1, level 2, and level 3 WBS element.
Yes.
So when I save it, it should allow me to save. Correct, saved. Project got saved.
Hmm.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, if it's 4, it gives an error.
What? Hello?
Less than 4.
Less than 4. Yeah, it should be less than 4. Correct.
Well, okay, hold on a second. Hold on. Go back to the validation.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So what does the validation says? If I have the project under the definition 1005,
Hmm.
I check if the number of level is less than 4.
Hmm.
If it is less than 4, then you need to display the message.
Yeah, yeah. You need to display the message as it will be the custom message level uh, 4 your project WBS levels should be below 4, below 3, up to 3, or up to level 3 WBS elements are allowed for this project. That's it. That message we can bring. Actually, I'm fetching another message, so that's why. uh, okay, so I'll check with the guy who provides server access, and if possible, I can make changes in my roles so that I will be able to create custom messages.
Okay, but
Okay,
I'm confused. I'm a little confused because if the levels are less than 4, then display the message.
correct. No, no, no. Level should be, if you try to create level 4, level 5, level 6 WBS element, at that time it will
Uh-huh.
give you error message. If your levels are below 4, means up to 3 level, you will not get any message.
Oh,
Okay.
that's what this means. Okay.
Yeah. If you
If it's
if I
level less than,
yeah, if I make changes to this role as, okay, so let me delete this.
no, wait, don't delete. Okay.
No, no,
I'm
I'm making it as a
so
equal.
are we not saying that if it is less than 4, then display the message?
This is the rule now. So
Oh,
in,
hold on. Go back to message again, please.
okay, so in message posting date, okay, I've just selected.
No, click on the message for a second.
Okay, okay,
Okay, message output if prerequisite is met and check is not fulfilled.
yeah, correct. Then you will get error message like this. So I'll select
I got
another
it.
message. Yeah, you will get.
No. I'm not worried about the message and description. Don't worry about that. That's not the issue
Okay,
I have.
okay, uh-huh.
I'm worried about the check. The check is, if the check is true, then display
Mhm.
the message.
Correct, correct, correct. So
Is that right?
prerequisite, correct. Firstly, it will check whether the profile is 1000. Okay, if profile is
Hmm.
1000, then proceed further. Then second step, it will check levels. If you have
Okay. In our case,
levels
it is level 3.
level 3, right? If you have
Uh,
levels define 4, 5, 6, then you will get this error message. That's it.
okay.
Okay.
All right.
So can we stop for now?
Yes, absolutely fine. This was a good session.
Yeah. Okay. Thank